Hey folks, it's Mindset Monday. Victor Vanico Johnson coming at you with another quick tip for you. So I'm all about building advancement within a career. And for many years, I was a mentor and a director at call centers. And one of the things that I really loved was helping my employees to advance in their career. So what are some things that you could do to really take action today to advance your career? Number one, start being more friendly in the office. Smile more. Speak to people. Call them by their first name. People love to hear their name. Good morning, John. Good morning, Sally. See you later. That type of thing. Also, what you can do is start finding a mentor at the next level of your career. So if there's a position, somebody that's in a director position or at a higher level in another department, you want to start befriending them. See if you can connect with them and find ways to build that relationship and really learn what their job entails. And then the last thing that I can tell you right now is that you gotta be a constant learner. Find ways to learn every aspect about the company, why they were founded, what was their mission, and really find a way that you can add value to that mission statement. That's how you advance your career. And so those are my tips for today. It's Mindset Monday.